Here's how you can change the default home launcher on your Nothing phone, whether it's the Nothing Phone 1 or the Nothing Phone 2 with Android 14. To change the default home launcher, use the quick access and pull it down twice until you see the settings right there. Once you go into the main settings of your Nothing phone, you want to go to where it says apps right here. Then within the apps section, just go down until you see default apps. As you enter here now, you're going to see the different default app settings. Then you want to go to where it says Home App. As you're here now, you will see any compatible launcher that you installed from the Play Store in this section here. And if it appears there, that means it can work with your smartphone. So if you switch over to it, just keep in mind that you are going to go through all of these changes and prompts. And then once you're done, you should be able to have your new launcher. Now, on top of that, if you want to switch back to the Nothing launcher, you'll just have to come back here and switch back to it, okay? And you're good to go.